And now we have Blue Thunder that has arrived. Yo, what up? We're back with Blue Thunder. We have all of the new parts laid out on this fine ass table. We have the BC, the CNC, the PMC, all of the good parts. We have the nice shiny new cross member. It's up to the speedy shiny standard. It's going to be going in Blue Thunder, and we're going to put all the suspension set up and all that today. Over to my boy Chris, Magic Man.
So I'm here today to help out our boy Sweet Baby Jay. We're gonna get all these exciting new parts put on here. The BC coilovers, our new cross member, nice angle kit, some new motor mounts. Hopefully we get everything done today. Come bearing gifts. So we got some new calipers in from PowerStop. Great solution for you if you want to get some calipers. These already have been remanufactured, and they already come straight from PowerStop with a red powder coat on them. So they look brand new and you don't have to do anything, spray paint them or anything before you get them onto your truck. Look at that. Does that match your Speedy J shiny standard?
Certainly does. Way up there.
Speedy shiny standard. Speedy shiny standard.
Right to left.
Speedy shiny standard. Those are pretty fucking fresh though.
Nice.
Should know better, made it disbelieve, but I don't dare. But oh, here I stand, 'cause you always do this to me. Do this to me. Should know better, heartbroken and weary.
Cool. So we've added all the suspension. We've done the dual caliper. We've added all the brake calipers. We've done the angle mods, and now we're gonna lower the car down.
You can find the spot.
Gotta find that sweet spot.
Sweetie J.
Sweet baby J.
There we go.
Freedom.
Lowering.
Slower it.